grab this
I'm
one.
gonna lock up my car.
No.
I'm gonna lock up my car.
No, step out now. Step
Let
out
me
now.
put my car in
Step out now.
Step
Now.
out.
Now.
Step out. Step out.
In today's video, we analyze a real police encounter and the legal standards involved. A routine traffic stop on June 8, 2025 in Naples, Florida, quickly escalated after a woman claiming to be a state national rejected police authority. What followed turned chaotic and ended in an arrest captured on Bodycam.
The reason I'm stopping you is failure to come to a complete stop at the stop sign.
Oh, I thought I did. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Is this your license and registration?
I no longer use a license. I only have my passport that I use. I'm a state national, so I no longer have to abide by the courtroom from the.
Usually you have a card on you that states that they give you that you're exemplary.
Yeah, they haven't sent it to me yet, but I have filed all the paperwork and it's been in place for 6 years.
It's been in place for what?
6 years.
And you don't have, if it's been in place for 6 years, you don't have the prior one?
They didn't send it to me yet.
In the whole entire 6 years, you've never had anything?
You know how our federal government works, so...
So what do you provide for documentation wherever you go? You only provide...
Ma'am.
You should have done an identification card. Even if you don't have a driver's license,
No,
you should have a
because the
Florida
identification card, again, abides by your rules, leaning ownership of my vehicles, of myself to you. And I'm no longer a part of the corporation, so I'm exempt. So what we're doing here is illegal as far as me, because I no longer participate in the extortion of the police department.
Are you stating you're a sovereign citizen?
I'm a state national.
State national.
I'm not sovereign. I'm a state national.
Okay.
I'm a part of the Republic of the United States. No
Okay.
longer a part of the corporation.
Where do you reside at?
I reside in Naples, Florida.
Where exactly?
Here in Naples.
I know, but I need to know so I can issue you a citation. I need to know your address.
You don't have to issue me a citation.
We still have to follow the rules that everybody else follows.
No, ma'am, I do not. I do not. That's why I always get it excused.
You don't have any documentation on you stating that, so you're not exempt.
No, I am exempt. Believe me, you'll get a bond from me that goes directly towards you, that fines you for every minute that you're holding me here. There is no crime that's committed. You can only detain me if there's a crime committed.
Ma'am, you are legally have to follow
There's no
if
injured party.
If you're
There's no
operating
injured
a
party
motor
on-
vehicle in Florida,
No.
you still have to follow the regulations.
No, I don't. See, you guys are extorting money from us. See, the problem is you're violating my Fourth Amendment right.
No, I'm actually not, ma'am.
Yes, you are. I can go through it with you, doll.
Okay.
I have it all
You
here.
stand by. Okay, so I'm on a traffic stop with a woman who's stating she's not a sovereign citizen, but she's a citizen. And
Here's more documentation from the judge.
okay, can you repeat again what you just told me?
I'm a state traveler. I'm a state national. I have the right to travel freely. I'm not encumbered by any of your laws or regulations.
The subject immediately challenges the stop and questions the officer's authority, claiming to be a state national and therefore exempt from state law. These encounters often involve printed paperwork and cherry-picked legal language taken out of context, delivered quickly to create confusion rather than clarity. This pseudo-legal tactic is widely documented as an attempt to overwhelm officers with jargon instead of lawful cooperation.
If she doesn't have a driver's license, just like anyone else, she can be arrested for not having a driver's license.
No state shall convert my.
I'll send you back up.
It's a
Okay,
God-given right.
All right, bye.
It's a God-given right. You guys are extorting money from us. It's a God-given right. Murdoch versus Pennsylvania. It's a God-given right. We're the supreme law of the
Ma'am, do you have your
land.
registration for the vehicle?
I don't have registration with me, no. I don't have to provide it.
Ma'am, you do. You're driving a
No,
vehicle
ma'am, I am
on the
a common
road.
law. It is not a
understand your
privilege. It's a
common
right.
law.
It's a God-given right for me to be
Ma'am.
able to travel.
Ma'am, do you have your registration with
No, I
you?
don't.
Okay. So you have no registration, no driver's
I
license?
have it. I just don't have it on me. I don't have to carry it.
Okay.
So
Well,
go ahead and call your supervisor
In the
here.
event, you get into an accident with somebody or somebody,
I have-
all these documents
I
have
have,
to
I have insurance.
Okay. Well,
I
yes,
have
but the
insurance,
vehicle
and I've
has to
also
be
got a
registered,
bond.
too.
So I have. There's no
That's
injured party here, honey.
Okay.
You
It
don't-
doesn't matter if there's no
Absolutely,
injured party.
it does. That's when a crime is committed. That's the only time you can pull me.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
There's
we
an
need to-
injured party.
No.
You're
that's not how it
offering. You're
works.
offering the contract is not accepted.
Okay, ma'am. I need you to turn your vehicle off for me.
What's the purpose?
Because your driver's license is actually expired, ma'am. You don't have
the
a
state of
valid
Florida
driver's
has turned
license.
my freedom to travel freely into
Ma'am.
a.
What I need you to do right now is turn your car off for me so we can get this situated.
What are we getting situated?
I'm trying to help you,
What are you trying to help me with?
ma'am.
No, I don't understand. What are you trying to help me with?
I've explained everything to you. I've been very kind and helpful
I
to
can't
you.
go forward without my attorney.
Okay, that's fine. I
So
need you to...
call your supervisor.
My partner is here with
I
me
need
right
your
now.
supervisor. Call your
Okay.
supervisor, please.
We can do that
And what
too.
is your badge number, please?
Ma'am, I'm trying to help you in the
You
best
have to-
way that
you
I
have to
can.
disclose your badge number.
And I have no problem doing
You
that.
have to disclose your badge number right now, according to Shapiro versus Thompson.
Okay, that's no problem, ma'am.
These are constitutional laws that have been put in place, ma'am. That's what I follow, the Constitution. The
that
state
is-
of Florida has
that is
taken my
good.
right to
That is
travel
good.
freely
That is
in my
okay.
private vehicle and turn it into a privilege,
That's
which is
okay.
against my constitutional rights.
That's okay.
I am not contracting with you.
Okay.
The subject repeatedly states phrases such as, I am not contracted with you, along with so-called right to travel claims, questioning the officer's authority. With the arrival of a second officer, the encounter escalates as the subject continues to resist lawful direction.
Yeah, my partner has been very kind with you. Okay.
I understand.
Listen,
Go ahead and get your
listen,
supervisor.
hear me out for a second, okay?
Get your
I heard what you had to
supervisor.
say. At this point, she has asked you to turn the vehicle off, step out of the vehicle.
Not
If you,
stepping
listen
out
to me,
of my-
you are going to step out of the vehicle.
Why would I do
Because
that?
I asked you to.
You don't have any authority
I do.
over me.
I do.
No, you don't,
Yes, I do.
sir. You both are criminals.
No, you're
You
going to
both
step
are-
out of the vehicle or I'm going to
No,
make you get out of the vehicle.
I'm going to church.
No, you're going to get out of the vehicle right now. Nope. Nope.
Stop
Do
it.
not. Do not.
Stop it.
Do not.
Hey, don't.
No.
Oh my
No.
God.
No.
Keith.
No. No.
Stop. Leave me alone.
Listen.
Oh my God, I'm going to church.
You are
Stop it. Leave me alone. Please stop. Oh my God, are you crazy?
No. You're going to step out of the vehicle
Oh
right
my
now.
God. Wait, let me turn my vehicle
No.
off.
Do not grab me. No.
Stop.
Do not.
Stop
Do not.
it.
Grab this one. please.
I'm gonna lock up my car.
No.
I'm gonna
No.
lock up my car.
No.
Ma'am, we tried to help
Oh my
you.
God, Bert.
Central Bravo.
Hold on,
12,
get your son,
33
get
there.
your
Listen,
supervisor.
Step out. Step out. Step
Oh my
out.
God, let me
Step
put
out
my
now.
car in
Step
park.
out now.
out.
Step
Let
out
me
now.
put my car in
Step out
park.
now.
out.
Now.
Step out.
Now.
Oh my God, my car's
Step out.
Stay right there. Do not move.
Oh my God. Oh.
Yep.
Nobody else in the car?
Nope.
Please lock
Step.
up my car.
No.
I want to lock up my car.
Okay, I'm gonna take care of it in a second.
Yeah, I gotta get my purse. I want to get my purse, please.
Can you pat her down, please?
Yeah. I'm right here for you.
If you just call Judge Crone, he'll tell you. Can you loosen these up? They hurt.
Well, that's what you think.
Oh my God. Will you please loosen the cuffs up? They hurt. Pound my car,
Have a
please.
seat.
Ow. You've got to unloose these, please.
Step
They
back.
hurt.
Step out. I'll take a look at them.
Please. Please. Ow. Please.
Take a look. I'll take a look.
Oh my God.
Step over
Please,
2 steps.
Please.
To your left.
Please, please. They hurt me.
Bravo.
Please.
Okay.
Please, they hurt. Please
Sorry,
take
yeah,
them
with,
off. Please, sir.
On the signal floor.
Please,
You need to turn
sir.
your hands inward so that I can reach them.
Please,
Okay, take
sir,
2 steps
please.
back.
Please take it off.
Bend over at the waist, please, so I can reach them.
Ow, please, please take them off. Ow. Ow. Ow.
You have bracelets. I can't
Man,
reach
it's
them.
only because your bracelets are rubbing against
Please take
the
it off,
cuff.
please, I'll pay you anything, please. They're killing me, please. Please, ow. Please take them off. Please take them off, please, ow. Please take them off.
I can't reach them the way you're standing. I can't reach them with their bracelets.
931 allergies at 9:10 break.
Oh my God, please.
It's right here.
Bravo 14, you're doing about
In there,
9:10.
if you want to try.
Man, stand up straight for me. Stand up straight for me. Relax your arms for me real fast. Relax. See? Actually, I can put my fingers in here. So
Please take them off,
ma'am,
please.
when you relax, I can get in underneath to loosen it, okay?
Just take
I
them
need
off.
you to take
They're
a
not going to
breath.
come off completely.
I won't hurt you. I
Okay.
won't fight you, please.
Ma'am,
Just
I need
take
you
them
to
off.
twist your arm
Twist
right
your
here.
arm inward.
Ah.
You got it? You see it right there?
Please, I was just going to church. Please,
I got it.
please, let me have a Please let me go. Please, I was just going to church.
Got it?
Nope.
No?
Twist it.
Please.
Ma'am, they're not on that site. They're not on that site. I can see. There's space.
Oh, my finger.
Yeah, they're not that site.
Oh,
Relax.
please don't. Please don't. I was just going to church. Please let me go to church. Don't tighten on my... Are you the supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Okay, I need you to please get my purse and call my attorney.
Ma'am, I'm not calling your attorney.
You're going to have a seat right now.
Don't handle me like that.
You're going to
kid.
sit down, please.
Stop it.
Sit down and put your legs in.
Don't tow my car. I'll
you.
call my brother to come down.
Thank you.
Please don't tow my car.
Watch your legs.
Please don't tow my vehicle. Can I please call my brother?
No,
Why?
because it's getting towed.
Why? That's theft.
It's not.
Sir, you're stealing my car if you impound it. Sir, can I please secure my vehicle? Sir. Let me secure my car, please. My purse and everything. How am I supposed to get out of jail?
It's getting towed.
What about my personal belongings?
They're going to be secured in the vehicle.
Sir, I've got money in that purse. Please don't do that to me.
What kind of money do you have?
I have over $2,000 in that purse. Please.
Okay. I can check with the supervisor and ask you if he's...
Please let me have my purse so I can post bail. Please.
Let me check.
Please roll up my windows.
We will.
And I can't have the coat towed because it's on a security.
It's going to get towed. There is nothing around that.
What if you f up my car?
It's not going to.
How do you know that?
Because we notate any damage on it prior to the tow.
There is no damage on my car.
And there won't be any when you get it.
How do I get it?
You'll be advised on where it's going to get towed to.
How long am I going to be in jail?
I can't answer that question. I don't know. That's not up to us.
Well, we need a magistrate here to tell me that right now.
You'll go before a judge when you get in.
Okay.
You know your social?
I'm sorry, I can't give that to you. I've got to stop answering questions.
All right.
Can you turn some air conditioning on, please?
There you go.
I'm not getting anything back here.
The past year or two, we have seen the term sovereign citizen quietly rebranded under a variety of new names and groups. The label itself is avoided because it carries no legal weight and brings immediate consequences in court. So the movement adopts titles like American national or state national, believing the right words can override the law. When one identity fails, another takes its place, but the arguments never change. In the end, the law responds to actions, not declarations. In this case, the suspect was charged with multiple driving violations, battery, and resisting arrest, and the vehicle was towed. As we wrap up, I want to take a moment to thank you. My name is Leo. I am a veteran and a former police officer. I truly appreciate you for spending your time here and for supporting my family through this channel. It genuinely means a great deal to us. Please stay safe.